All right, good evening, everyone. You are watching Milansoccer1313 Box Break number 179. It is a box 13 out of box 13 out of 16, and it is for a retail box of Series 1. Please note the serial number BB ending in 41973, and I'll show you that when I switch over to the webcam. Let's go through the winners and the eBay users. The Boston Bruins goes to A Bull 454. Anaheim, Buffalo, Florida, the Devils, the Islanders, the Flyers, and the Lightning all go to AP Newfie. The Columbus Blue Jackets, Washington Capitals go to Beefneck. New York Rangers goes to Cup Scoop 79. The Edmonton Oilers goes to Darfur 6733. Darfu. Colorado Avalanche goes to Hard Hitters 1796. LA Kings and the Knights go to Jam Kent. The St. Louis Blues and Toronto Maple Leafs go to Jora 16. Carolina Hurricanes goes to Josh.Mick. The Wild go to J Train 82. The Wings go to M Lumen 19. Calgary, Blackhawks, Stars, Canadians, Predators. Penguins, Canucks go to Sergeant B or SGTB. The Arizona Coyotes, the Jets, the Arizona Coyotes and the Jets go to WDDJSS. The Senators and the Sharks go to ZM Bayer. And like I said, we're going to start off with that box serial number, and I'm going to show you that next on the screen. Bear with me while I flip over. There we go. And as promised, Series 1 retail box. And let's focus in here. Just trying to get that in. Of course, it's not focusing right away. There we go. There it is. 41973. Retail box, Series 1. All right, here we go. Let's crack this thing open. Let's hope there's some big hits in here. I know we're expecting a few. Thanks again for participating tonight. And let's get started. Let's have some fun. All right. First pack. Hope we get some big hits. Base, looking always for those French variants that come out. Base, 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 base. That is a base deck. Looking for suits, looking for French variants. Of course, as always, looking for those young guns. Fox, base. Tyler Seguin, base. Base. Oh, Alexander Alexiev, young gun rookie. Here we go. For the Washington Capitals. Let's see if you get a nice clear look at that. Keep looking online. I know we have a lot more of these breaks coming up. Base, base. Still looking for those variants. Base. Oh, another young gun hit for your Pittsburgh Penguins. make sure we show all that. Pittsburgh Penguins. Emil Larmine. Let's focus that in. There we go. There he is. That's 2 Young Guns. You don't always get all those inserts in the retail boxes, but you know what? We can always hope we get a couple of nice inserts. Odds are just a little higher, but always hoping. Base, 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 base. All base. Sometimes you just can't get that pack to go. Base, 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 base. All base. The Golden Knights always trick me. They always look like a French variant, but they never turn out to be. Not never, but haven't. Only hit 2 in all the boxes we've opened. Base, base. Oh, we got a hit in here. Base. Just want to make sure that that card is a little sticky there. Make sure I open this up. There we go. Base. We got a UD portrait. I'll show the rest there. UD portrait. Leon Draisaitl. That's a nice card for your Edmonton Oilers. Sometimes you just don't want to open. I want to be careful as well. Got my X-Acto knife just in case. Base, base. Oh, checklist always gets me. Young Gun. Let's just go through the rest here, make sure. Liam, actually a good player, a quality player from your oh, they got me tricked on the jersey from your Columbus Blue Jackets. I thought it was an LA King retro jersey. Liam Foudy. He's actually a pretty good, decent player. So congratulations, Columbus Blue Jackets. Base, base, base. I think we got a canvas here, if I'm not mistaken. A UD canvas of Alexander Alexiev. Young Guns canvas. And if I'm not mistaken, we don't got the jersey on here. Let's just go to the back here. It's for your Washington Capitals. UD canvas. So congratulations to your Washington Capitals. Show the front here. Nice card. And just make sure we go through the rest of the base. Those French variants are kind of play tricks on us now. I keep saying it again and again, but got a lot of different sets in this year's Upper Deck cards. It's always less intense to open up a pack when you're just on your own. Sometimes they just don't crack open. Golden Knights base. Blackhawks base, Hurricanes base, Bennington base, base, another checklist, and base. Going through. Base, I think we got something here. Nope. Sorry, mistaken. It's Penguin base, Colorado base, base, Malkin base, Hurricanes base. Oh, base. 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 Here we go. Young gun. Connor McMichael. Excellent card for the Washington Capitals. Had a great junior tournament. Having trouble focusing right now. Does not want to focus today. Connor McMichael. Let's see if I can get that to turn around. There we go. That's better. Doesn't like my hands. Connor McMichael. Very nice card. Congratulations to the Washington Capitals. I know we're all waiting to see if we're going to get that big Ranger player today, whose name shall remain nameless. Base, base, hit, UD portrait of Timothy Liljegren. Not a bad card, actually. You know what? For your Toronto Maple Leafs. There we go. The rest are base, base, base. Let's see what we got in here. Base, base. Yes, a canvas. UD canvas, Leon Draisaitl for your Edmonton Oilers. There he is, Mr. Draisaitl. Very nice hit for the Edmonton Oilers. Base, just still looking for any variants. Base. Not a good open there. Just try to be careful here. There we go. Base, base. Matthew Tkachuk, nice looking card. And another canvas. Sam Steele. Let's just make sure we go through the rest of these. Sam Steele for your Anaheim Mighty Ducks. UD canvas. Congratulations, Ducks. It's a bit of a thicker pack. See if I'm right about that. Guess I was right. Base, base. It is a jersey of your Minnesota Wild, Matt Dumba. They thought he would be traded by now, but he's still hanging in Minnesota. There he is. Nice. Congratulations to the Minnesota Wild. Nice card. Just go the rest. Base, base, base. It's funny, you open enough of these and you can tell the weight. Not always. Not always. Base, 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 base. Oh, base, base back. Base, base. Oh, got a young gun. Shane Bowers for your Colorado Avalanche. There he is. Very nice. Congratulations, Colorado. Base, base. Just make sure. Base, base. And a hit. We got Thomas Chabot from your Ottawa Senators. Probably the best senator, or close to right now, other than Mr. Kachuk there, Brady. Congratulations, Ottawa. Base, base, base. Ooh, can't miss that card, eh, guys? Base, base. It's the Dazzler. A Thomas Hurdle Dazzler. These ones are kind of fun. Hard to focus in on, though, because it wreaks havoc on the camera. There we go. Congratulations, San Jose. Thomas Hurdle. See it back there. Easier to see that way. There you go. And base, base, base. Down to the last few packs here. Base, base, base. Another canvas. Nikita Kucherov from your Tampa Bay Lightning. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. Oh, base. We got a rookie. Young gun. Base. Dylan Coghlan from your Las Vegas Knights. Very nice. Congratulations, Las Vegas. Having some trouble with this camera right now. There we go. Dylan Coghlan. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Congratulations, Vegas. Base. Base. That's good. Base, 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 base cards. Just make sure. And base, 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 base. Last pack. Oh, base, base. A hit for the Boston Bruins, Tuukka Rask. UD portrait. Congratulations to the Boston Bruins. Well, thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining. We'll get those cards shipped out, and we'll see you on the next break.